speaking my words. I'm trying to deliver something good to the society. कभी हमने दूसरे एंगल से सोचा है क्या है वो एंगल? और इस मोमेंट में मैं कुछ भी फील कर रहा हूँ, whether it is love, whether it is hatred, whether it is anger, whether it is pain. Life, either if you don't run fast, you'll get a broken under of the cock bird. Enjoying it, I will just be in the moment. You realize कि ये truth है and मुझे accept करना है anyhow. Then you unlock your moment में रहने वाला mind.
आज का मंत्र शुरू किया जाए।
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all are doing good. I am super duper charged and ready to kick things off with a bang. And welcome to the first ever video of my channel. I was thinking constantly, काफी time से, that what should be the first ever video, the topic or the things that I want to create for you all. And I was in a continuous loop of confusion. फिर मैंने खाई Mentos. खाते खाते मैंने सोचा जिंदगी, life, that is the thing which holds us together in this realm. और वही चीज है जिसकी वजह से आप और मैं आज इस जगह in this universe we all are connected. But what is life? Definition क्या है इसकी? Someone says love is life. Someone says that is life. और किसी ने पीछे से आवाज लगाई, मम्मी के हाथ का बना हुआ पुलाव. You know, everyone has their different opinions and different meanings of life. Science भी कहता है that life is the period from your birth to your death. The duration. Viru Sahastra Buddhi. Life. Either if you don't run fast, you'll get a broken under of the cock bird.
NANI?
He said like this. He denoted life as a race. But think about it. Be calm. Think what actually life is. ये है क्या? Life है क्या? In my opinion, I believe that life is not about पीछे भागना, दौड़ना, एग्जिस्ट करना, सुबह उठना, खाना खाना, वही एक्टिविटीज करना, शाम को आना, खाना खाना, सो जाना, एंड डू एंड रिपीट एंड डू एंड रिपीट. आई बिलीव लाइफ का सिंपल मीनिंग है जीना. एंड दिस इज द थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टीच यू टुडे, दैट लाइफ कोई चीज नहीं है जिसको आप एक्वायर कर सकते हो. इट इज द वे टू एक्सपीरियंस, इट इज द वे टू फील, इट इज द वे टू लिव. जीना जिसे हम बोलते हैं. You know, like this, I am in this moment, I am shooting a video for you all and I'm enjoying it. Like, okay, yesterday I was somewhere else, आज मैं कहीं और हूँ, कल शायद मैं कहीं और हूँ, या कल शायद ये moment मुझे मिले ना. So I am being in the moment, that I am in this moment now. The camera is in front of me, I am speaking my words, I'm trying to deliver something good to the society, and it makes me feel good. Also, at the moment there are so many cases when we feel कि यार ऐसा क्यों हुआ, but that is the catch. क्योंकि तब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्यों हुआ, we question, we regret, but कभी हमने दूसरे एंगल से सोचा ही. क्या है वो एंगल? कि मैं एक टाइम पे खुश नसीब था या हूं, और अभी मैं रिग्रेट कर रहा हूं किसी चीज पर. Then again there will be some cases, there will be some scenarios in which I will again be thanking myself, my potential, and then again there will be some moments where I will be on a balance mode, where I will be on a normal phase. Like I won't be questioning, I won't be regretting, or I won't be thanking anything. I will just be enjoying it. I will just be in the moment. And that is what life is. Death is inevitable. वो आनी है. And when you accept this, once you realize कि ये truth है and मुझे accept करना है anyhow, then you unlock your moment में रहने वाला mindset. कि ये जो moment आज मेरे पास है, और इस moment में मैं कुछ भी feel कर रहा हूँ, whether it is love, whether it is hatred, whether it is anger, whether it is pain, whether it is, you know, sacrifice or anything, that is what I am experiencing for this moment only. इसके जैसे कई सारे मोमेंट्स हो सकते हैं, बट दिस मोमेंट विल नेवर कम अगेन, दिस मोमेंट विल नेवर बी द सेम अगेन। और मेरे पास बस यही एक चांस है। यू नो, देयर इज अ फेमस कोट, not actually quote, a line that says YOLO, which means you only live once. But I want to modify it that you only die once. You only die once, and you have every single millisecond to live, to enjoy, to rejoice, to learn. So, with this is my first take on life. And please let me know in the comments आपकी क्या take है, and do let me know about the video, or please wait patiently for the second part so that we can make it a boom together. By this, I ask your leave. We'll meet you